Welcome. In front of me I have ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip, and today I'll show you how you can activate Quick Launch. You have to open Settings. Next you have to go for the Advanced and go for Smart Key. Right now you can choose which one you are going to open the Quick Launch. So we can press and hold your power key or press twice. Let's choose the first one. Tap on the switcher to enable, and we can open Google Assistant, but also we can customize and open one of the application, or for example open some shortcuts like the Bluetooth that we can turn on or turn off. Let's open calculator with this option. So take a look right now. When you set it up and when you double press power key, the calculator will be opened. And as you can see, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.